boost your red blood cell. Are you feeling tired, weak, or short of breath? Your body may not be making enough red blood cells. In today's video, we will learn which minerals help your body produce red blood cells and which foods you should eat to stay healthy and energized. Let us get started. What are red blood cells? Red blood cells carry oxygen to every part of your body. If you don't have enough, you develop a condition called anemia. But there is a good news. The good news are eating the right food can help your body build more red blood cells naturally. What are the key minerals needed to make red blood cells? Some of the key minerals needed to make red blood cells are iron. Iron is the most important mineral, and also it is called as red blood cell powerhouse because iron is the core ingredient your body uses to make hemoglobin, which is the red pigment red blood cells. Without enough iron, your blood cannot carry oxygen properly. What are the best food sources for the mineral iron? The best food sources are 1. Liver. The second, red meat, lentils and beans, pumpkin seeds, beef, and the Spanish are the best food sources. The second important mineral is copper. Copper helps your body use iron. Copper is like the helper mineral. It does not build red blood cell directly, but it helps your body absorb and use the iron you eat. What are the best food sources for copper? The best food sources are groundnuts and cashew, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, cocoa, organ meats, and the beans are the best food sources for copper. The third important mineral is zinc. Zinc supports bone marrow. Your red blood cells are made inside the bone marrow. Zinc helps the bone marrow function properly and boosts the production of new blood cells. But what are the best food sources for zinc? The best food sources for zinc are pumpkin seeds, milk and dairy products, egg, chicken, meat, and beans are the best food sources for zinc. The fourth one is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is the blood cell builder. Vitamin B12 helps your bone marrow make healthy, mature red blood cells. The best food sources for vitamin B12 are milk, cheese, yogurt, chicken, meat, egg, and fish are the best food sources for vitamin B12. The fifth one is folate or vitamin 9. Vitamin 9 or folate is the cell growth mineral. Folate is essential for forming new cells, including red blood cells. The best food sources for folates are green leafy vegetables, papaya, beans and chickpeas, orange, avocado, and banana are the best food sources for folates. The sixth one is vitamin C. Vitamin C is the iron booster. Vitamin C increases the absorption of plant-based or non-heme iron. The best food sources for vitamin C are orange, lemon, berries, tomatoes, and the green peppers are the best food sources for vitamin C. A simple meal plan for boosting red blood cell production. In case you are wondering how to put these foods together, here is a simple daily meal plan. In breakfast, it is better to eat egg plus whole grain bread plus orange or mango. And lunch, it is better to eat injera with lentils plus spinach. Also in snack, groundnuts or pumpkin seeds. And dinner, beef or chicken plus vegetables plus yogurt. This meal plan gives you iron, copper, zinc, folate, and vitamin B12. This is the perfect combination for a strong blood. Additional tips to increase iron absorption. Always pair iron-rich food with vitamin C. Foods like citrus fruits, tomatoes, and mango. And try to avoid drinking tea or coffee right after meals because they block iron absorption. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and biology videos.